fake AirPods Pro, real AirPods Pro, 1562A AirPods Pro, black AirPods Pro, white AirPods Pro, what do you really need? On YouTube, there are many videos telling us how to spot fake AirPods Pro. However, in my opinion, it is not very helpful to identify whether your parts are fake AirPods Pro or real AirPods Pro. So let me explain the reasons here. Reason 1. Only Apple or Apple's authorized manufacturer can produce real AirPods Pro. There are no other factories that Apple does not authorize can produce real AirPods Pro. Reason 2. It is extremely unlikely that an authorized Apple store will sell you a fake AirPods Pro. So if you want to buy a real AirPods Pro, go to an authorized Apple store, then buy a real one. It's very simple. For most of us, what we really need is the parts that have the real AirPods Pro's quality, but much lower price. Whether it is fake AirPods Pro or real AirPods Pro, it is out of our consideration because we already know the answer. They are the fake AirPods Pro. When someone sells you an AirPods Pro, if the price is below the average price, which is around $190, definitely he is selling the fake AirPods Pro or the renewed AirPods Pro to you. For most of us, I believe that what we really need is the parts that have the real AirPods Pro's quality but much lower price. Whether it is a fake AirPods Pro or real AirPods Pro, it is out of our consideration because we already know the answer. They are the fake AirPods Pro. But we want to know how similar these fake AirPods Pro are compared to the real AirPods Pro. This AirPods Pro Premium copy is a good choice for most of us. So let's see the details. The most advanced and most popular chipset used in AirPods Pro copy is Aroha 1562A. But first, let's see the products. This AirPods Pro Premium copy uses the Aroha 1562A chipset, the most advanced and popular chipset used in the AirPods Pro copy. It supports active noise cancelling function and the spatial audio, very similar to the real AirPods Pro. If you are interested in this AirPods Pro premium copy, please contact us or buy this product from our online store. I will see you in the coming videos. Bye bye.